Temporary Car Insurance for Under 21, by Wilma J. Call, www.somefolk.org. Without any controversy, having a car insurance policy is a must. The pros and cons might vary state to state, but the very thing that bids them all together is that it is unlawful to drive a car without any insurance covering. Confiscation of your car could even be one of the lighter punishments available. This is why many insurance firms are now offering temporary car insurance for under 21 for those that fall under this category as an insurance policy. The temporary car insurance for under 21 is a bottom-line insurance product that comes with a higher premium. This is because they deduce more risk to such a policy, hence the price of the premium is on the higher side. The policy have been specially made for those under this age category who are maybe still learning but want to start driving or have just obtained their license. The insurance firm set the premium to be paid based on the record or the risk of those under this age group. They therefore place a great emphasis on the person's driving record before a price is given. The price would be higher if the records show that the person has had a number of car incidents before. Just as the name implies, temporary car insurance for under 21 is for a very short period indeed. The more the driver stays behind the wheels, the lower the premium goes until it comes down to what is usually obtainable in the market for the more experienced drivers. And insurance firms don't mind paying the young driver who goes through the period of the policy without having a mishap. There is, however, another condition that is attached to this short-term insurance policy. That is, aside from the age factor, if the car that has been driven is of the more expensive category, it would incur more premium than if it was less expensive. In other words, the more expensive the car, the higher the premium, and the less expensive it is, the cheaper the premium that has to be paid. This is why it is advisable for young drivers to start with cars that are not so expensive value-wise, and then as they grow they can get more of the car of their dreams. The risk associated with this age group is, however, the key factor for this particular insurance policy. Temporary car insurance for under 21, after all is said and done, is still a bottom-line insurance policy that is meant to give cover to that driver who falls under this category so that the obligations of the law would be met, as it has to do with the protection of the life and properties of all involved. www.somefolk.org has temporary car insurance for teens under 21.